Hello everybody out there on the interwebs. Today I'm going to share something that I've been working on for a while. Kind of one of the reasons I haven't put any videos up. I've been kind of dedicated to this project here. But I made this handle here for my Chronos camera. And this handle is a 3D printed handle. It's got a machined aluminum mount that I designed. It's got some I don't know, standard ARRI Flex rosettes here. Take this apart so you can see. So I've got a couple standard parts and then designed my system around it. But the interesting part of this handle is that I've mounted a SSD drive inside it, and I've got a SATA to ESATA jack mounted into the handle. I can snap the drive in there and attach this handle to my Chronos camera, and now I have a terabyte of storage, fast storage, right in my hand. So it's a pretty convenient, unique design. I've been working on it for a while, making sure that it fits nice in the hand, making sure that everything kind of mounts correctly. It's a little bit bulky, but it really makes the camera very easy to handle and hold and move around. It's super convenient. I've been really enjoying this with my handheld shots a lot out in the field. And I don't know, I'm going to offer some of these for sale, see if anybody's interested. I'll also put a link to in the description to my 3D printed files in case you want to, do the build your own process. So it's not super involved. I'll put a bill of materials out there as well. But yeah, this is a handle that I made. Due to some of the electronics and stuff and the cost of the 3D print, it's not cheap, but well worth it in my case. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to reach out or check out my links and make your own. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this and see what you guys thought. Yeah, send me messages if you want to know more or have any questions, and I'll be happy to share. Okay, subscribe.